Okay guys, so this is the calm before the storm, and I am gonna attempt to make a snowbank to block the blowing and drifting of snow and all that good stuff, but I'm gonna film it and dub it, like speed it up, and you can see what I do. You see the clouds back here too, that's all the snow coming away. And that's how you make a snowbank. I hope it holds up. Okay guys, so this is the snowbank I just made. And not as much snow as I was hoping to block this stuff up. Just wasn't enough snow to make that big of a bank, but as the snow comes down tonight, which it's supposed to start tonight, once the snow starts to kick in tonight, basically I will keep up on it. I'll shovel. I'll make, and the bank will become even bigger. Like I said, I'd done this like 5 years ago, and it was very effective blocking the wind and the snow. and the blowing snow. So we're gonna see how this one does. Again, I'd like it a little bit higher than what it is. It just ain't. You can see right here. It's not that big, not that deep. But there's where the snow is. It's coming all the way down that way. See the clouds, that's the beginning of it. But anyway, I plan on vlogging this whole blizzard thing we have coming, and I'm gonna just vlog, you know, little bits and pieces of it throughout the next couple of days, because this is pretty eventful, and I don't know. Let's see what comes of it. I don't think it's going to be anywhere close to the blizzard of '78. Just not enough snow, but we're supposed to get 8 to 12 more inches on top of this, and let's see how things turn out. And I just went to the grocery store, and no eggs on the shelves, no nothing. It was like Christmas all over again. But yeah, I think this is what I did along the other side of the driveway here. I did widening out. And there was a little bit of a snow mound over this way as well. But anyway, so I'm just gonna keep doing these little update things, and to hopefully I get them uploaded fast. But until then, be safe, stay warm. This is so much fun. Peace.